Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with SMS app, and Opera Mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and click on Apps. Then select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my SMS app, so I have to tap on it. Click on my new one in order to apply it, and tap on the back button. So now, as you can see, when I do that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!